Do not climb, sit, or stand on the rails. If you have children, please keep them in your sight at all times. Children must walk, not run. The decks may become wet and slippery when moving about the vessel. Please watch your step and hold on to the handrail, especially when going up or down stairs and disembark. We hope you enjoy your boat tour to the falls. Thank you for choosing HornBlower Niagara Cruises.
No, last time I was on a Voyage, we went over yeah.
As we make our way up the Niagara, look to port, or the left side of the boat where we will pass the American Falls. It can best be described as the American side of the Niagara Falls, which in comparison is a smaller waterfall that lies along the left of the horseshoe. According to scientific studies and historical research, it has been concluded that the American Falls will eventually transform into a successor of the Seminole Falls to the natural forces of the world. The high flow rate of water intersects with the Niagara, which is composed of As a natural world wonder, the Horseshoe Falls name is derived from the crescent or horseshoe shape of the crestline, and the city of Niagara Falls, in all its natural beauty, continues to be a holiday spot for millions of visitors each year. Geological studies and the history of Niagara Falls indicate that thousands of years ago, the falls was 11 kilometers downriver from its current location. Erosion was a major issue associated with Canadian falls. The average rate of erosion of Niagara Falls was as much as 1 meter per year until the early 1950s. Since then, the water diversion channels and canals used for generating electricity have decreased the water flow, reducing the erosion of Niagara Falls, and to this day, Niagara Falls remains a clean and significant source of hydroelectric power. There are over 500 waterfalls in the world total, but Niagara Falls is the biggest waterfall in the world by volume of water flowing at an average of 750,000 gallons per second. Niagara Falls' interesting facts include the white foam floating in the water is dissolved limestone and is created naturally due to the massive erosion forces of falling water. The height of the Canadian Falls is 170 feet or 52 meters. The estimated crestline, 2,200 feet or 670 meters wide, and the depth of the river at the base of the falls, 184 feet or 56 meters deep. This is also the natural beauty and the depths. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us today aboard Niagara Thunder. We sincerely hope that you enjoyed your voyage through the falls. As we approach the dock, please do not move about the vessel and refrain from using the stairs until the vessel is secure. Once alongside the dock, our crew will direct you to either the forward or rear gangway for disembarking. Check to make sure that you have all your belongings and proceed to exit the vessel. Visit our wrist gear shop for those last-minute items, or join us dockside at HornBlower's Riverside Patio Bar and Grill and enjoy Niagara wines, craft beer, and a selection of delicious entrees, snacks, and sweets. On behalf of captain and crew, thank you for sailing with HornBlower Niagara Cruises.